UiPath Studio Web allows you to see the values of variables in the workflow if you test the trigger. Let's start with a simple workflow that triggers when an email is sent. The purpose of the workflow is to have a trace log of all the emails sent by a particular address. In this case, I want to write to a file. I also want to write to individual fields. This is where the challenge begins. The difficulty is choosing the right address list to write to. In this scenario, we're going to test the trigger. Here's the test trigger, full of useful information. This information has also surfaced in the used variable widget. Now, for the address list, I can use the first item in the list. I can apply the same recipe to the rest of the widgets. Let's go ahead and test the automation. As you can see, our file is currently empty. Now let's check how the file changes once the job is executed. The file now shows the sent email.